Today we are at the biggest mall of Asia, Mall of Asia. Let's go.
Message from a new world I'd never known.
What?
What you doing? Just your favorite hobby, huh? So Bobby, what do you want to tell me through those books? Ha ha.
Quiet.
And so what's next? Ah, that's next. And then lucky you, huh? Lucky you.
Why?
Why?
Because
You love me. Uh-huh. I sure do.
and
It is definitely true love's kiss.
it is
Maybe meant to be. I like that title.
meant to be. But if you
Fall into temptation,
then
it will turn into a classic horror stories. Ah!
I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing inside.
Ciao.
Bobby, I saw something that you would like back there.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you wanna walk? Go straight.
Join me on the dark side.
No. I am the beautiful cameraman. Camera woman pala.
Yeah. Camera woman.
Straight ahead and go in front. Yeah. That one. Your Elsa.
Uh-huh.
Ay, naku. What?
Big Hero 6.
I can feel it saving me. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
So, honest opinion, what did you think of MOA Mall of Asia?
It's huge.
It's way too big. There's like 3 or 4 buildings, something like that, and we only visited 2 of them. And we were here from 5 p.m. and right now it's 9 p.m.
Yeah.
So in 4 hours we visited 2 of the 4 buildings. It's massive. It's huge. We're sitting here at the Skyline from MOA. It's beautiful here. Nice grass field. So yeah. And what is your take on everything? Like, besides of it being huge, what did you think about building? Was it easy to find stuff? You think, like, can you tell
Yeah.
someone?
I think it's easy if you know where the tablets are.
Yeah, the tablets. There's tablets in the MOA. So in the Mall of Asia, and they are a huge help. You just type in a restaurant or a store you're looking for, and it's like a GPS and telling you the most direct route. Like, go downstairs there, go left, and just keep going straight.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of pathways. you can easily get lost, but the tablet will always help you. So that's something that's really nice. And personally, I think the building, structure-wise, 10 out of 10. It's beautiful. It's huge. So yeah, the building-wise, I really find it a beautiful building, especially on the inside. It's beautiful. Everything is bright. The stores are nice here. They are huge. I don't know where my fiance is going. But she's being beautiful, as usual. Yeah. So what is your favorite part, what you saw from the MOA Mall of Asia? I think you know.
The ano? I don't know.
The happy
There's a lot
fiance?
kasi. There's a lot.
Yeah, there is so
There's
much.
a lot of places to visit.
It's an experience to be here. Seriously, like, it's genuinely an experience. I love it. Like, oh look, there's an airplane. We're close to the airport here too, so that's another nice thing. So basically, if you end up going to Manila and you're close to the airport, you're close to this mall. So it's easy to get to. Like, you can just get a Grab or an Uber, whatever. You know, like here it's called Grab, but it's like Uber. So you can just get an Uber for a couple of dollars, and you're here. So it's great. I love it. It's beautiful and amazing.
Yeah.
And I definitely want to be coming back here.
And if they have time, like when they visit the mall, go out of the mall. I mean, go upstairs.
Yeah, go like to the place upstairs. Like, this is the Skyline. It's the most top floor, and it's just gorgeous out here. Like, the mall is not just a mall; it's an experience, like I said.
Yeah. And the best time to go upstairs during the sunset, because the view is so like.
Yes, we forgot to go out at during sunset though, so I don't really have too much video about that. But I saw the place, and I'm like, if we were out here for sunset, gorgeous. Like, it's amazing.
You have a bit of it.
A tiny bit of it, yeah. We do have a tiny bit of it, but it was like late sunset that we went out.
That's why I'm telling them.
Yeah.
Go here, like ano, the Filipino and me. Before 5 o'clock.
Yeah, basically be here around 5:30ish already. Be outside. You can get some gorgeous views. But yeah, like, this is Mall of Asia, biggest Mall of Asia, and it's huge. There's like an ice rink. There is soccer field / football. I'm European, so I'm going to say football. It's football. So just for the Americans, I say soccer, so that they kind of understand what football is. But yeah, overall I had a great time. So I think that's where we can end the video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're
So
going to sightseeing.
we're gonna still go a little bit sightseeing on our own. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.